Today, we are in the heart of Chianti, just moments from the town of Barberino Val to explore a beautifully restored Tuscan farmhouse that perfectly captures the timeless character of this extraordinary landscape. Welcome to Villa Rosa. What makes this property particularly special is its balance between privacy and convenience. Set in an elevated panoramic position, surrounded by olive groves, a mature garden, and Tuscan countryside, but only minutes from Barberino and under an hour to both Florence and Siena.
This is a home with real authenticity.
The farmhouse has been carefully restored with great respect to its original architectural character. You immediately notice the beautiful historic stonework, the rendered facade in the warm terracotta bruciata color, so typical of this part of Tuscany, allows the farmhouse to blend effortlessly into the surrounding landscape. What I particularly appreciate here is how beautifully the restoration preserves the essence of the original farmhouse, while creating spaces that feel elegant, welcoming, and entirely livable today. Throughout the interiors, you'll find many of the details that define classic Tuscan architecture. Traditional terracotta floors, exposed wood beams, arched openings, and wonderful natural textures throughout. The property offers 6 bedrooms in total, making it ideal as either a substantial private family residence or an exceptional hospitality opportunity. What I especially like is the way each room connects so naturally to the landscape beyond. And of course, much of life here is lived outdoors. The swimming pool, the terraces, the olive groves, the extraordinary lights. This is exactly the kind of setting that defines Tuscan living at its most authentic. It's easy to imagine long summer lunches here, quiet mornings, and evenings overlooking the Chianti hills. Villa Rosa is one of those increasingly rare properties that offers genuine character, timeless beauty, and an exceptional location. I'm Anna from Casa in Country, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have about this fabulous property. Click the link in the description for more info. Thank you for joining me.